Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to enable enhanced search mode in Windows 10 to improve your searches. Knowing how to enable enhanced search mode in Windows 10 makes it quicker and easier to find files on your PC without installing a third-party search tool. By default, Windows 10 is set to use Classic Search Mode, which only searches your desktop and libraries, such as your documents, pictures, and music folders. Although this is enough for some people, Windows Power users are likely to have important content stored in other locations on their hard drives. Enhanced Search Mode, in comparison, lets you search your entire PC from the Windows search box. It indexes every location on your computer, though you can also choose to exclude or only include specific folders. In this guide, I'll explain how to enable Enhanced Search Mode in Windows 10 for more comprehensive and accurate searches, and reveal how to customize the feature to suit your searching needs. Let's dive in. Open the Windows 10 Settings app, either by clicking the Start button and clicking the Settings gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard. When the Settings window opens, click the Search category. On the next screen, select Searching Windows in the menu on the left-hand side. In the Find My Files section, change the setting from Classic to Enhanced. Windows 10's Enhanced Search Mode will now start indexing all the drives, folders, and files on your system. You can monitor how many items have been indexed and how many are pending in the Indexing Status section. You can speed up the Enhanced Search Mode's indexing by excluding specific folders from its scan. Click Add an Excluded Folder and select a folder to ignore. Enhanced Search automatically excludes several system folders, including C program files, C Windows, and C users or username zap data. If you want to include any of these in searches, select it and choose Remove Excluded Folder. Alternatively, you can tell Enhanced Search Mode exactly which folders to index. Click Advanced Search Indexer Settings, then click the Modify button in the Indexing Options box that opens. Select all the folders that you want to include in searches and click OK to confirm. You can also exclude specific file types from Enhanced Search Mode's indexing. Click the Advanced button in the Indexing Options box, then click the File Types tab. Deselect any file types that you don't want to include in Windows search results. To index the contents of files as well as their names, which will take longer for Enhanced Search to do. Select a file type and click Index Properties and File Contents. Finally, if you experience any problems with Enhanced Search Mode, such as results not displaying correctly, you can delete the index and start afresh. Click the Index Settings tab of the Advanced Options box and click Rebuild in the Troubleshooting section. You can also select a new location for the index file. If Enhanced Search Mode is finding too many results for your search queries, you can easily switch back to Classic Mode via the Searching Windows settings I mentioned before. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.